At Foxx Life Sciences, quality is number one. Our customers can trust us. All the way back to the year 2010, we passed our very first ISO 13485 audit. Since then, we've invested heavily in our leachables and extractables, our sterility program, Class 6 resins, and most importantly, what we call the fast track system, from design to development to manufacturing to delivery. In addition, we have a triple inspection, and over just the past 2 years, we've tripled the size of our quality department, and more importantly, we know capacity is a major issue, so we continue to invest in our infrastructure. Here in Londonderry, New Hampshire, we've just added 3 more Class 7 clean rooms for our SUT manufacturing.